Exercise number 2, underline each verb or verb phrase. Identify the verb tense by writing a number 1 for present tense, a number 2 for past tense, and a number 3 for future tense. Write the past tense form, regular or irregular. Okay, so the Cowboys shot their guns in the air. So what's the verb or verb phrase? Shot. Okay. Present, past, or future? Past, right? So number 2, verb tense. Or past tense form would be shot, regular or irregular? Regular. It is actually not regular. It is irregular because what's the regular form? Shoot. Okay, so you had to drop it out, right? Okay, my dog will bark at any stranger. What's the verb or verb phrase? Will bark. Present, past, or future? Future because it has the word will in it, right? What is the past tense form? Barked. Regular or irregular? Regular, because all you did was add ed. Smoke drifts lazily out of the chimney. Verb or verb phrase? Drift. Present, past, or future? Present. So number 1. What is the past tense form? Drifted. Or regular, irregular? Regular, because all you did was add an ed. Okay. The teachers are telling the story again. Verb or verb phrase? Are telling. Present, past, or future? Present. So number 1, past tense form of telling. Told. Regular or irregular? Irregular, because you changed the spelling of it. The chocolate pie was eaten before dinner. What's the verb or verb phrase? Was eaten. Present, past, or future? Past. Number 2, past tense. Ate. So regular, irregular? Irregular. Our kites will be flying in the sky. Verb or verb phrase? Will be flying. There's 3 of them this time. So, present, past, or future? Future. Past tense of flying? What do you guys think? Flew. Regular, irregular? Okay, one more. She knows the combination to the lock. Verb or verb phrase? Knows. Present, past, or future? Present. Number 1. What's the past tense? Knew. Regular, irregular? Irregular. Okay, so you guys are going to do 8, 9, and 10 for homework. Okay, with the present tense and past tense helping verb. So that's like what we did up here. Okay, the extra things we added to make them a verb phrase. So what are present tense? Guys, think of the jingle. Is one, but there's a word before it. Am. Am, is, are, has, have, do, and does. Okay, so then kind of some of the opposites of those are, what's the opposite of is? Was. Okay, what's the opposite of are? So was, were, what else? Had. What's the opposite here? Did. And then been. Okay, exercise 4. First, write the 4 principal parts for the verb fly. Then follow each participle column. Underline the correct answer to identify each helping verb, singular, plural, or neither. Okay, so basically when we do the circling, we're identifying them as that we're doing the helping verb. Okay, not actually the verb. Okay, so present tense of fly is what? Is fly, right? Okay, so fly. Okay, what's the past tense? Flew. It's not really working. Okay, so have what? Flown, right? Okay, well that's supposed to be flown. The board isn't wanting to pick up my finger to write. Okay, so flown, right, is that singular, plural, or have flown? Is it singular, plural, or present? Plural. Okay, present, past, or future. Have flown. It's actually, because guys, it's present because of the word have. That's a present tense, right? Okay, you have to pay attention to that. The present participle was what? Flying. And guys, the pen won't let me cross that, so it's flying. Okay, so with that, alright, is that singular, plural, or neither? Singular. Okay, present, past, or future. So was is what? Past. Okay, next one. Watch is what? It's just watch. Okay, and once again, it won't let me cross that, so that's a T. So watch. Number 2 is what? Watch. And that's a T too. Won't let me cross it. So watched. So what is our word? Had. Watched. Okay. Singular, plural, or neither? It's actually neither. And then present, past, or future? Past, because had is past tense. Okay. Next one, we're what? Watching. And once again, that's a T. Won't let me cross it. Okay. Singular, plural, neither? Plural, right? Okay. Present, past, or future? Past. Okay, so you guys are going to do 8